Hello, 7th and 8th graders and parents. I'm Mrs. Connell, the Innovation Center Director, and I am just here to say hi, welcome back to school, and introduce myself in case I haven't met you, and just tell you a little bit about something new and exciting for this school year. I will be teaching an Innovation Exploratory class for all 7th and 8th graders. So every morning I will see groups of 7th and 8th graders, and I think I end up seeing all students twice a week. And I just want to tell you a little bit about what we have in store for this class. So it will be really focused on problem solving, critical thinking, creating with technology, creating with your hands. And I have a little bit I can share with you right now. And especially at the very beginning of this school year, we will, of course, be remote. So most of the activities I'm going to have you be doing will be mostly online, but I'm hoping to have students create things like a breakout EDU game for younger kids, and or a stop motion video also for younger kids. So I'm excited to get kids creating and making cool stuff. So this is just a little sneak peek at our Schoology classroom. Regardless of which section you're in, the classroom will look pretty similar. And my class has this little virtual Bitmoji classroom in Schoology. And everything in here is clickable. I'm clickable, so if you want to email me, click on my little icon and it'll pop up an email to me. If you want to learn more about 3D printing and do some 3D print design, especially once we're back in the school, we'll get into things like 3D printing, robots, drones, other hands-on maker activities. You can and go there and start creating a design for the 3D printer. Over here, virtual reality, you can start creating a virtual reality tour if you click on those. Every week I'll have a breakout EDU game linked to this little breakout EDU box, so a digital breakout EDU. There's some augmented reality here that's pretty cool. Sphero robots we'll get into this year. So just explore and play around and learn in this little classroom, and I'll keep changing things out. And then you scroll down and you kind of see what else we have in our class. So here's where you can learn a little bit more about me and my teaching, and so if you want to learn my whole educator background, parents, you can click on this and learn a little bit more about that. There's my family, my husband and 2 kids and I, and my office hours, how to get in touch with me either via Schoology or just my regular email. And then down here you see policies. Very important to know that when we are remote learning, whether we're in the red or yellow, I will expect students to log on and participate in class time at their normal class time. So if your class is at 8:15 2 days a week, you log on and we will have class and we'll do some fun things online, I promise. Down here is the syllabus for the class that really gives an overview of what we're going to be doing for the next 10 weeks of trimester 1. So you can check that out, even see when things are due. So what you need to turn in each week is listed over here on the right side. So that is the welcome folder. Back on our main page, the sun is very bright now. Whew. Back on our main page in course assignments, that's where you're really going to find the bulk of what you need. So week 1 and week 2 should be showing in your view of the classroom right now. And in week 1, I'm just going to show you that just to show you how I set things up. We'll have some type of an activity, maybe a video, in this case a video, and then a Schoology scavenger hunt, just to make sure you kind of know where things are and how to do things. And then every week I will have a discussion board. So in the discussion board, I just want to make sure everyone knows a neat part of the discussion board is that you don't actually have to type and discuss that way. You can, so that's an option. You can type a response. So this first week we're doing 2 truths and a lie. It's that little game, if anyone's played it, where you share 2 things that are actually true about yourself and 1 lie. And and then other people have to guess the lie. So you can type those, or if you want, you can record. So if you click the audio and video, you'll of course have both, or you can just do your audio. And you can share your discussion post that way. And then once you're done, you click post, it will show, and then you'll see everyone else's responses. And so those are kind of the big things you need to know about our class, and that little sneak peek I wanted to give you. And the last thing I want to make sure everyone knows is the easiest and quickest way to get a hold of me is to message me through Schoology. Click on that little envelope, new message, and just type in my name. If you just start typing Maureen, you'll find me right there. And that's the best way to get a hold of me. So type your message, click send, and I will reply, as quickly as I can. So that's it, and just let me know if you have any questions.